Looking for the best auto body shop in the Taylor, Texas Sandoval area? If you are searching for an auto body shop in Taylor's Sandoval area, you have probably been in a wreck. Accidents can occur quick and you'd never know what hit you. I am referring to what literally hit you. It will leave your head with a lot of questions, whether you need a full dent repair or just a quick repair for a minor scratch in the paint. Everything boils down to one question, though: where do I start? Watch this auto body shop video in Sandoval. One of the mainly commonly used ways of finding a reliable car accident repair shop is word-of-mouth recommendations. You will find a number of repair shops that claim to offer the best services. However, it is best to shortlist those repairers who many of your friends, family or acquaintances have tried. Their personal experience with a repairer can help you to a great degree in making a right decision. Auto body repair estimates near Taylor's Sandoval. To help you easily compute repair costs, your insurance provider may offer an online estimator that will only require you to go into some info about your car before you can view the precise insurance coverage. Auto body repair insurance coverage. When a car is involved in an accident, the auto insurance company has a big role to play. Sometimes, insurance companies have partnerships with car repair centers. To guarantee that you get a full return on your car insurance, you can request recommendations from your insurance company, so that you are guaranteed of quality service. Auto body repair equipment. No matter what type of repair services you need, a professional auto body shop can offer you with anything and everything and work on all the different makes and models. While a car garage can always help you with exterior problems, they also have the expertise to deal with accident repair tasks. Auto body repair technicians. No one plans to enter into a car accident. It should be a concern to get the car repaired by a professional and credible car mechanic. Ensure that the mechanics who provide accident repairs and car services can get your car back on the road safely. Auto body repair near me. Certainly, the most essential element here is your personal safety. It's reasonable if people want to scrimp with the costs for minor car repairs, but nothing should be more crucial than your own security. Remember, it's better to have no car at all than to drive one which poses a major threat to your life, and even to your families. The best auto body shop near you will ensure you are safe. Auto Body Part. The car repair company would inspect the damage and working of essential parts of your car. If any of it requires replacement, the parts and accessories are obtained or purchased by the company itself. Specific firms provide guarantees on the replaced parts so that you can get the future problems fixed from the provider without spending money. Require the highest quality car, truck, SUV painting. If your car needs a new coat of paint due to accident repair, you can get it done by experts who are highly experienced in restoring the car to the highest standards. You need to inspect the credentials mainly. You need to contact a dealer who cuts no corners, since you cannot bear any type of substandard work. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.